Ever wondered how to efficiently water your plants? Our green friends thrive best with consistent and measured hydration. A smart solution is out there, and it's not as complicated as you might think. The answer lies in setting up a drip irrigation system. Drip irrigation, a water-efficient method, can be your best bet. This ingenious system is all about delivering water directly to the plant's roots, promoting healthier growth while conserving water. It's a win-win for both your garden and the environment. Moreover, the beauty of drip irrigation lies in its simplicity and affordability. With just a few basic tools and materials, you can set up your own system without breaking the bank. Now let's dive into how you can set up a drip irrigation system in your garden. Setting up a drip irrigation system is easier than you might think. Start by gathering the essential materials. You'll need drip lines, emitters, a backflow preventer, a filter, a pressure regulator, and a hose end timer. Don't worry, all these items are readily available at your local garden store. Now let's get started. First, lay out your drip lines in the areas of your garden that need watering. Next, install the emitters along the drip lines. These emitters will allow water to drip out slowly directly to the roots of your plants. After this, connect the drip lines to your water source. But before you do that, remember to install the backflow preventer, filter, and pressure regulator. These components will ensure that your system operates efficiently and your water remains clean. Lastly, connect the hose end timer to automate your watering schedule. And there you have it, your very own drip irrigation system. With a drip irrigation system, you can ensure that your plants get the right amount of water they need. Just imagine your garden thriving with less effort and more efficiency. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.